out the street. I'm not resisting. I got out the street. I got out the street. Put your hand behind your back. I got out the street. Behind your back. What are you locking me up for? Put your hand. What are you locking me up for? I already told you to step out of the street. What are you locking me up for? I'm not doing anything. Listen, I'm not doing anything. Behind your back. I'm not. Put them behind your back. Put them behind your back. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
What y'all locking me up for? What you spray me with, bro? What you spray me with?
Stop resisting.
What you spray me with? Bro, what you spray me with? What did you spray me with, bro? I didn't spray you with nothing. Yes, you did. Bro, I didn't even do anything. What are you locking me up for? What's the charge? I already told you. What's the charge? I already told you. What's the charge? I already told you. What's the charge? Can I get my camera off the ground, please? Can I get my phone off the ground?
It'll come with your property.
Can I get my phone off the ground, please? I got your phone. Huh? Can you give me my phone, please? Can you give me my phone? You're under arrest, too. You better stop. Can you give me my phone? I'm asking for my phone. Give me my phone, bro. Your door's open.
Yep.
Can you give me my phone, please? Can you please give me my phone? Can you give me? It's my property. It's my property, bro. Yo, help me! Help me! Help me!
Get in the car.
Sit down. Help me!
Get your head in the car.
Help me! Help! Help! Supervisor. Can I get a supervisor up here? What's the location? What's that location? Yeah, it's on blue. Sorry about that.
It's okay. I'm gonna power down. Or are you staying on?
Yeah, that's it.
Half the 111's here. You rolling?
Yeah.
Okay. I am too. You good?
Yeah.
A little bit in the...
Yeah.
Okay.
I had a traffic stop. I had to lock up John, the video guy.
We're both live, Sarge.
Okay. And he started resisting. And I was cuffing him and I had the spray in my hand and it went off. It sprayed me in my eye.
Oh, no problem. Okay, I was wondering why you called the PS. I didn't know what happened.
Yeah.
The spray?
Yeah.
Are you seeing the back of the car?
He is. He's in this car.
Is he still recording here? Is this turned off, or does he still have it with him?
His is still in his car.
All right, you guys show his mask right down there. All right, so you have his phone then? All right.
No, he has his phone. It's in the back under his. He put it under his butt.
Under his butt?
Okay.
All right. All right. Do you want to walk you back now and get the EMS here then? Come on here. Huh? I'm gonna call him right here. You don't have to move.
No, we'll go back.
You sure?
Yeah.
You good to take that? Because I can take
I'll
whatever.
take him. I'll do.
I'll do whatever.
It just got me when I was cuffing his hand.
All right. Let me just ask him. Just so I know.
I'm gonna power down.